Very good evening, all. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So, nothing, guys. There is a product which I took from Lenskart. So, review about that sunglasses, guys. So, this is from Lenskart. I'll just unbox this sunglasses. How it is. One, two, where it is, Lenskart. So, let's unbox, guys. Ta-da! Let me show you guys. Wiping cloth. Wiping clothes are nice. Wow, nice it is. Cool, guys. How it is? Nice, right? Okay, let me wear and show you guys. Yeah, feels so cool. Nice it is, guys. I feel very fresh and nice, and there's no scratches, nothing. So it's pretty cool sunglasses, and the way they made the design, right? It's suitable. So I selected a good one. You can see here the frame is awesome with blue fins here. Nice it is. Comment me how it is. Okay, pouch is awesome. You have some writings here. Some logos are there written by Lenskart themes. Yeah, pouch is good. It's like mouth. Okay, fine, guys. So this is how it is. Pouch, wiping cloth, gift wrap box. So guys, so this sunglasses will be suitable with riding also. So I'll just show you some wearing with helmets. Okay, let me try with half helmet. Okay, yeah, it's comfortable wearing half helmet also. Wow, it's nice. Nice, guys. Looks pretty. Yeah, check it out, guys. I think this is awesome. If you liked it, please comment and like. Let's check out with other helmet. Just full helmet. Let me check with the steel bar. Okay. Whoa. It's pretty, guys. So comfortable. Super, guys. Looks very awesome. Whoa. Check it out, guys. It is very nice. The clarity is awesome. I like the color. Whoa. It's cool, guys. Lenskart. Good work. I like your sunglasses. Yeah, so this was a small review about the sunglasses from Lenskart. So pretty good it is with 12 minutes. I liked it. It's going good. All right. So what's the time now? It's 7. Okay. So see you in next video. Till then, signing from Vijay Studios. Take care. Ride safe. So here he is. All right. So a small review for the Lenskart which I brought. Fine, guys. See you.